Hello, good morning everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel, yours Sketchup and CAD Tutor. So in my today's new tutorial, I'm going to show how to make a wardrobe in AutoCAD 3D. Okay, the first thing you need to switch from 2D to 3D. So click on this workspace switching and click on the 3D modeling part. Okay, now go to the home tab. In the home tab, go to the box. Okay, just take this point. Okay, to this point, and then take it up and put the value as 7 feet as a wardrobe height. Okay, now I'm going to give a offset inside this object. So what I'll do, I'll go to the option solid over here. In the solid tool we have option called offset edge. Just click on the offset edge, click over here. Okay, like this, then go to distance. Suppose I want to give a space around say 1 inch. So I'll write down say over here say 1 inch like this. Okay, or anything if you want to give say 20 mm. Okay, so you can calculate also. Shall we give 1 inch over here, give twice again 1 inch 1 inch, got it, like this. hmm? So it depends, you want to get 20 mm, you want 25 mm, so it's your choice. Now I'll measure the depth of this wardrobe. So click on this and click on this. It is showing me 2 foot 3 inch. Okay, so I'll take as 2 foot 2 inch depth inside. So go to one command called press pull in the solid option. Go to press pull, click and take it backside. Put 2 feet 2 inch like this. Okay, so my wardrobe main part is ready over here. Now I want to give a partition over here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'm going to make a partition of 25 mm, the thickness of it. Okay, so let me start from here. How much is this? This is around say 2 foot 2 inch. Okay, so let me take 1 inch comma 2 foot 2 inch. Okay, I got this part over here. Wait, I'll make it over here. Go to the box. So this is 1 inch comma 2 foot 2 inch, and I'll take it up till this point. So it's made a backside. What I can do is select this and pull it over here. hmm? If I find trouble in moving also, so no worries, you can switch off the right now the points over here. It's nothing but the snap cursor points. Okay, take it backside. Okay, like this. So again, if you find something is not done proper, so no worries, you can select this. Okay, and just go to the move command, take center of this point, place center of this object. Let me figure out center of this object over here. So I can make a reference line also over here. Yeah, this is my line over here. Got it. So what I can do, select this, move पे click करो, यहाँ पे जाओ और इसको यहाँ पे लेके आओ ऐसे. Done. Okay, now this is my basically a sliding wardrobe, so I need to give a space over here to open it also. What I'll do, I'll go to the option press pull command, I'll select this and take it backside little. I'll take it 2 inch backside, take it minus 2 inch. Got it? Done. This is how you can make a wardrobe. Okay, done. Just a second. Yeah. Now I want to make my doors, sliding doors over here. Okay, so it's very simple. You go to fucking take a box. Okay, and let's say from this point to take it till this point. Okay, and just go for a height over here. Let's go for a height over here. But thickness of the door is will be around something. We go to property command. You get the idea of from here. Property command. तो सिलेक्ट करो इसको, यहाँ पे देखो इसको कितना दिया है उसका, ये दिया है 2 इंच, उसको करेंगे 1 इंच, हो गया. So it's change. So I can check from here also if I want. So again if I say 2 inch like this, if I say 3 inch it's more like this. So let me take it as a 1 inch यहाँ पर. Okay, done. अभी क्या करना है, सिलेक्ट करो इसको, मूव करो इसको कमांड से, एंड उसके अब ड्रैग कर दो ऐसे. ठीक है. नाउ सिलेक्ट दिस वन, गो टू कॉपी कमांड, इसको क्लिक करो यहाँ पर एंड यहाँ पे डाल दो उसके ऊपर ऐसे. इज डन, दिस डन. सो आई कैन चेक लाइक स्लाइडिंग में जस्ट मूव फ्रॉम योर, आई कैन टेक इट लाइक दिस ऑल्सो. अब यहाँ पे क्लिक कर सकते हो, इसको भी ऐसे ड्रैग कर सकते हैं पर ऐसे भी. ओके, तो मैं इतना पर मेरा रेडी हो गया. ओके, अभी अगली वीडियो में आपको दिखाऊंगा हाउ टू मेक द ड्रॉवर्स. ठीक है, थैंक यू वेरी मच.